In the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you once again. And today, we got a simple, easy, oven-baked chicken and rice recipe. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and start on our chicken and rice. Our seasoning, just gonna season these boys up, and I'm gonna leave the measurements and the ingredients for this season in the description, as well as everything else. So we're just gonna season our chicken pretty generously. Other side. There we go. Let's just go ahead and massage our seasonings in our chicken. So as you can see, we have our chicken nicely seasoned. Now let's go to the stove and we're gonna sear these boys off. Quick sear. We're gonna pop them in the oven because we're gonna bake these babies. We want some baked chicken and rice. So that's how we're gonna do it. Tablespoon and a half of 2 tablespoons of olive oil in our pan. So oil is hot and ready. Get these chickens seared off. There we go. All right, as you can hear in the background, we got our chicken searing over there. So let's go ahead and get our onion cut real quick. Ends off of it. We're just gonna dice them up. Alrighty, we're gonna go from the side. There's our onion. All right, our chicken is seared. Just flip it over. That's what we're looking for right there. Just like that. Beautiful. All right, we have seared our chicken. We got our chicken out. In the same pan, we're gonna leave everything just how it is. Let's go ahead and get our onions in here. Let's flavor in now. There it is. Got the rice in there. Let's get that toasted a little bit. All right, we got our rice where we need it to be. Let's go ahead and add our chicken. And all we're just gonna do is just gonna lay it on top of the rice. Get everything in there. Let everything do everything. There we go. Ooh, look at that chicken, baby. Now let's add our chicken broth. The chicken broth in there. Listen to that. There it is. There it is. Let's just make sure our chicken is submerged somewhat. I'm just going to add a pinch of red pepper flakes. So let's put this boy in the oven at 425 for 30 to 35 minutes. In the oven she goes. There we go. 30-35 minutes. We'll be there. All right, we all done. We are all done. Let's see what's under the lid. Let's see what's under the lid. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I'll fluff the rice a little bit. So just go around and fluff up your rice. That looks delicious. Smells heavenly. Look at that. Yeah, let me move that so I can fluff this rice. That boy can cook. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, hit the notification bell. That way you know what we're doing when we're doing it. Now, let's get to the table and let's plate this dish. Yeah. Let's Just get our rice down first. There it is. There it is. Putting that color on there. Now let's cut into this boy and taste it. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Yeah, you know what it is. That's it right there. That is it right there. Best chicken and rice recipe, baby. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm coming.